requirements na ipasa for the senior high school voucher program?
Actually, yung mga requirements for voucher program ay katulad lang din ng mga usual documentary requirements na ipinapasa ng isang estudyante pag siya ay nag-enroll sa isang private school, like original grade 10 report card, 2x2 picture, birth certificate authenticated by PSA. For the private school grade 10 completers na mga ESC grantees, additional requirement yung magpapasa sila ng certification from their previous school attesting na sila ay ESC grantee. Para naman sa mga nakapasa ng OVAP o yung mga QVR natin or Qualified Voucher Recipients, merong additional requirement na certification coming from the portal para maging basis para maisama sila sa voucher program.
Hanggang kailan naman po yung voucher program na ito?
Ang voucher program, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, isa sa mga programa ng EGASPE or the Expanded Government Assistance for Students and Teachers in Private Education. Ang GASPE ay isinabatas many years ago. So, if there are hearsays na nagsasabing baka mawala yung voucher in the next years, ay hanggat merong batas na ipinatutupad, ay ma-enjoy pa rin ng mga Filipino citizens, especially ng mga kabataan, itong programang ito ng government.
Tingin niyo po, sir, bakit po Divina Pastoral College ang number 1 option para sa mga incoming grade 11 students among private schools here in Gapat?
Divina Pastoral College has been built for 66 years and counting, and I personally believe that DPC has established its reputation of delivering quality, transformative, and holistic Catholic education. So we know that we try our best to deliver the best academic programs and services, not only in lower levels or the primary levels, but also in higher levels like senior high school. So dito, hindi lang ikaw ay matututo, hindi ka lang mag-aaral mabuti, kundi ikaw ay mahahasa din ang iyong talento at yung mga biyaya na bigay sa iyo ng Diyos. Divina Pastoral College, given that it is a Catholic school, emphasizes on spiritual formation, not only of the students, but also of the personnel. So, we make sure na ang isang school community tulad ng Divina Pastoral College ay isang community na nagsisikap na mag-transform ng lives para sa Diyos at para sa lipunan. Yun ang philosophy of education ng Divina Pastoral College, na maging kaagapay ng lipunan at ng simbahan ng paaralan sa patuloy na pagbabago ng lipunan.
So ayan, thank you po Sir Aloy for spending your time with us answering the most frequently asked questions regarding senior high school voucher program.
You're welcome, and I hope na itong interview ay nakapagbigay ng kaliwanagan sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga interesadong mag-enroll sa Katolikong paaralan tulad ng Divina Pastoral College.
Mag-imparte ng Divina Pastoral College. For further information, you can visit our website or you can come into our campus. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating early registration at ang ating enrollment ay mag-open on June 2024. Muli, ako nga po pala si Ganalay, and follow for more videos.